Like,
Okay.
why did you leave Wayfair and move to HelloFresh?
So when I started with Wayfair, I was responsible for taking care of business intelligence. So the way I tell the story is that, and it works 80% of the time. I ask them if they like spy movies and like, James Bond movies, and they say yes, mostly. And then I said
Mm-hmm.
that I was the person in the van who tells the spy where to go, because I was in business intelligence, and that was my
Mm-hmm.
job to actually scrape the internet, make sure that no competitor is like trying to, or like if because it was mostly like a furniture company. So if a
Mm-hmm.
chair is being sold for 10 euros by a competitor, we will price it at 9.5, 9 euro
Mm-hmm.
50 cents. And that was my job to find out how much this piece of article is being sold for across the internet so that we can have a better price. And that was a very interesting role. I always also talk about my biggest impact in that role, where we were like scraping the web, and we were using like manual .bat files. Like we used to write everything in Python.
Mm-hmm.
We used to scrape everything like manually, so we had to like run the files every single evening. And my biggest contribution was to do it through the cloud. So instead of running the files, manually, I proposed a way to put everything on the cloud and auto trigger these files every
Mm-hmm.
evening, so the scraping happens. This was the biggest contribution, which makes the time it required to run these files got less and made us more efficient. But then
Mm-hmm.
so this was an internship, and then
Mm-hmm.
I got a full-time position in a supplier-facing role. So I was mostly doing marketing and merchandising for suppliers, helping them sell more of what they were selling on the website. And
Mm-hmm.
that was something I enjoyed less as compared to what I was doing before. And that's the reason I decided to move on to my next job.
Mm-hmm. Okay. That is still, like, very understandable,
Mm.
because it wasn't just like just for money or just for, oh, I'm getting a promotion.
Okay.
It was like a whole thing, right? For you, like the content of the job mattered to you. That's why you changed,
Yeah.
right? Okay. And then